AI requires effective communication to explain complex concepts and ideas to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. AI is required. Collaboration and teamwork. AI projects often involve cross-functional team, making collaboration and teamwork essential. Time management and productivity. AI can automate repetitive tasks, filling up the time for more strategic and creative work. Adaptability and flexibility. AI is rapidly evolving, uh, evolving fields requiring professionals to be adaptable and flexible. What do I mean here? Artificial intelligence has grown or is growing faster, evolving all these fields, all these areas, making it to for a professional to adapt very flexibly to use AI as if you are working with human being. That's what we mean here. Under leadership and initiative, artificial intelligence leads artificial intelligence uh, leaders must inspire those who have the knowledge. Let me put it clearly. Those who are inclined or who are good in AI, artificial intelligence, who are called the leaders, must inspire and motivate the team to drive innovative and adoption. So AI can help you with all these techniques. Once you know something and your team, they know, you mention the languages you will use, they will pick up. Just like when you come, I talk about script, prompt. When I talk about prompt to my student, they will be able to understand. Prompt may not be understood by someone who had not learned from us. So that is one of the things I'm talking about. As a leader, when you use certain slangs or language, they will be able to understand. Then it now inspire or motivate the team to drive the innovation and adoption. Problem solving and critical thinking. AI requires critical thinking and problem solving to develop, implement effective solution. AI is required. AI is required. Emotional intelligence and empathy. AI professionals must consider the ethical implication of AI on on society and individual. In what area? On the area or in the sense that when we talk about emotional intelligence and empathy, how does uh, artificial intelligence professional uh, consider the ethical implication of AI on society and the individual? What you know, the other person might not know. That's number one. How do you relate to him or to her? It is by helping him to understand so that he will also appreciate. Just like I talk about um, advertise my product AI. As the young man I told you about, I mentioned I came across in one of the offices some time ago, talking about how he could also make money from his career. Now, it took me some time to convince him. The moment he was able to be convinced, and he saw sense in what I was talking about. Immediately, then we went a little further, talking about what about those who understand, who don't understand? How can I took time to explain to him? So that's exactly what we are talking about here. The ethical aspect of it and on the society and individual is very, very important. So it needs teaching, conflict resolution, and negotiation. AI can help resolve conflict by providing data-driven insight. Assuming now there's a conflict somewhere and there some information about that family or that village, that clan on the net or on the database. You just go there and click the thing, mention the name, just like uh, when you go to register your BVN, they will ask you some questions about your your mother's maiden name, your father or your village or that, all those. Those are the kind of things we are talking about. There is a data that interlinks to your person, to your information, which if I say I'm from Uban, I'm from Abia State, I'm from Sokoto, I'm from Kaduna, I'm from Kaura, and somebody also claim to come there. And in the government database, once you click, you'll be able to know who and who came from that local government without traveling to that village to go and find out. That's what we mean. You don't need to go there to be able to know the origin of this person and the other from the other person. Relating it to the conflict and negotiation we are talking about here, you now can see that AI is very important. AI play very important role in solving conflicts by providing data-driven insights, customer service and relations. AI powered, we have this AI powered chatbots and vital assistants, which are increasingly being used in customer service. Go and find out. Just type, go to your Google, type in chatbots or visual assistant. Even your phone has some visual assistant. I remember in those days when Microsoft 98 version, either 98 or 89 version, you will see certain animation. You just ask that animation, type little question by the side of the animation. How can I arrange my work to be italicized? Once you click that in, the animation will respond to you immediately. So that's the kind of thing we are talking about. That in customer relation, customer service and relation, AI, chatbot, and visual assistant are there to help you increasingly in your service delivery. Lastly, on this soft skill and AI relation, we want to talk about continuous learning and professional development. AI professional must stay up to date. If you are going to be a professional, you must be up to date with the latest development and advancement. It's very important. Coming under the hard skill, what relation does AI have with hard skill, such as programming and coding? AI relies heavily on the programming and coding skill, particularly in languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript, as I've mentioned. AI rely on them to function, to perform, to deliver. So it is also important to note that data analysis and science, AI requires large amount of data to learn, improve, making data analysis, uh, excuse me, and science essential. If there is no uh, data or data analysis, AI cannot function. It is what you have supplied the AI that it will also gather here, gather here, gather here, and bring together and make sense and deliver. We now say it has given us results. It's what? The data. So it's important that we understand under hard skill, data analysis and science is very important, and it requires large amounts of data to learn and improve in what we are doing. Digital marketing. How does digital market relate with AI, or AI relate with digital market? AI is used in digital marketing to personalize customers experience and improve campaign for effectiveness. AI is used. AI is essential. Let's come back to visual art. I think that's where I'm going to stop for now. Graphic design and visual art. AI generated art and graphic are becoming increasingly popular. AI generated, note that word, AI generated art and graphics are becoming increasingly popular. Just like I said, you can use your WhatsApp Meta AI to generate a realistic 2D realistic image. You can also use your AI such as Bing ChatGTP 3D to generate a realistic image that look like human being, look like the image of a real human being. So with this, I want to leave you to do your own personal research and appreciate what you are going to learn. Thank you. Wishing you the best of luck. If you find this lecture helpful, please like our page, drop your comment, and just give us a comment. Let's know what's your take. Let's know what's your take about what you have learned so far. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in class.